If you ask me how to define AI agents, I would say that it's an effort to tame and control AI. That is where I believe a lot of agentic frameworks fail. They would work out of the box with usual hello world examples, but as soon as you try to implement them in real world scenario, they just fall apart. That is where this tool Parlant is trying to help. In this video, we are going to install this Parlant locally and we will be integrating it with Ollama based local models, all free, all open source. You can run them offline. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe as that helps a lot, and that is the only marketing I do. So I would really be appreciable very much if you please help me out with the marketing of the channel and videos so that I could focus on videos, and then you guys would be helping out me with this marketing and stuff. Okay, now coming back to this Parlant, let me quickly show you it in action and then we will get it installed and see how it works. At the moment, it is running in graphical user interface on my local system at port 880. This is a web user interface, and on the terminal this is what it looks like, which is running locally. Let me start a new session. The AI agent which we are trying to use here is a used car salesperson, so I'll just say hello and then it should reply to me. It is typing, so let's wait, and I'm showing you without any editing, without any sort of fluff. There you go. So there is our agent. The name checks out. There you go. So it is asking me about something to drink while you look around, and this is important because I have specifically directed AI to offer the drinks to customer or any refreshments when they arrive, and that is what this agent has done. So I'll just ask it, how about beer on the rocks? Let's see if the agent is able to help me out. There you go. And agent is, it says coming right up. Let me know if you'd like to take a look at our cars while you enjoy it. Sure, I also want to enjoy some gyrating dance moves while I look around. So can you just show me some? Standing right next to that messed up just random car. Let's see what agent does, whether it actually starts showing me the moves or it actually just try to go back to the cars. Okay, it says there's a new one, but I can definitely show you what's next to the Mazda. It's a lovely silver Honda Civic. So you see, it is remaining within the confines of this Parlant. Now, Parlant is a French word. I believe it means speaking, and if you're a French, please also confirm. It's an open source agentic behavior modeling engine designed to solve this critical problem, which I mentioned earlier, which is faced by many developers building LLM powered conversational agents, which is the lack of reliable behavioral control. When traditional approaches like rigid flow engines force users into scripted interactions and free form prompt engineering, that often leads to inconsistent, unreliable behavior that fails to meet business requirement. Parlant offers a middle ground. It allows agents to dynamically adapt to natural user interactions while maintaining strict conformance to business rules and expectations. And I will also show you the code where you will see how exactly we are implementing it. It's all based on natural language prompts. So let's get started. I'm just going to take you to my terminal. So this is my Ubuntu system where I'm going to install it, but you can install it anywhere you like. And this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on very cheap prices, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a 50% discount coupon. So please do check them out. So let me clear this, and I already have Ollama installed. If you don't know what Ollama is, this is Ollama, one of the easiest tool to run large language models locally. And if you want to learn more, just go to my channel, search with Ollama. I have done more than 800 to 900 even more videos on just Ollama. So I have already Ollama installed. Installation is fairly simple. Just click on download. For Linux, just run this command. For Windows and Mac, just run this. So I already have Ollama and I have these models installed. So you can use any one of them. I'm going to go with this embedding model and this Gemma 3 model. Embedding model because we need to convert our natural language prompts into numerical representations or embedding. So I'm just going to go with nomic embeds model. You can use any other embedding model of your choice. And as I said, for LLM or large language model, which will actually generate the response, you can use any model of your choice from Ollama. All you need to do is to do Ollama pull and then model name. In our case, I did Gemma 3 colon 27 billion and nomic embed text latest. So that's already there. And if you check my VRAM consumption, it shouldn't be too high. There you go. So it is just consuming over 22 gig of VRAM. The reason being I'm using quite a big model. Here, as you can see, these are the ones, but you can go with a lower one. I have, you can 2 billion, 1 billion. You can even run small models on CPU if you like. So Ollama is set, models are there. Let's now install Parlant. I'm going to create a virtual environment with Conda. While that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Agent, which is the world's first multi-agent workforce desktop application empowering you to build, manage, and deploy a custom AI workforce that can turn your most complex workflows into automated tasks. And you will find the link in video's description. Okay, so let's go back and see what is happening with our virtual environment. And virtual environment is created. Now, in order to install Parlant with Ollama, at the moment you would need to do this to install it from the branch because it hasn't been really merged yet. But once it is done, you can simply do pip install Parlant and that should be enough to move forward. So I'm going to install this. This is going to take few seconds. And Parlant is installed. Another thing you need to install is Ollama. So just to pip install Ollama, this is SDK, and that is also done. Third and final step, you need to set these environment variables, specifying your Ollama based URL, which is default your both models, and then the API timeout so that it won't time out before that. That is also done. Now, next up, you would need to run a code. Let me quickly go to that directory and then I am going to show you the code. So this is what the code looks like. This is the whole code which I was running. I was importing the stuff, the libraries we installed, and then I am running the server. I'm giving the agent name. This is the agent's role, and these are the guidelines this Parlant needs to follow, and then it just runs. Now, this is where, if you remember, the agent always greets you with this. Now, this is a core innovation of Parlant, which is it is trying to do. It has this structured approach to define agent behavior through granular guidelines, journeys, tools, and other modeling components. So instead of relying on a monolithic system prompts, developers can create specific contextual guidelines that Parlant automatically filters and applies based on the conversation state. And there are a lot of other key features which you can check out on their GitHub repo. I will drop the link in video's description. The ability to define clean and clear custom interaction journeys, craft contextually relevant agent responses. You can even integrate the tools like external APIs and services. You can use a lot of other stuff which are, sort of cornerstone of these agentic software. Overall, this approach enables developers to iteratively refine their agent's behavior whenever they encounter unexpected responses. Now, I have to be fair, I have tried it few times. It's not that it is perfect and works 100% of the time. Sometimes it doesn't simply follow this guideline because this is the nature of AI, right? So, which is expected, but still it is trying to bring some method to this chaos and madness, and that is what we want. So I think good effort, but of course very very early days. And then you can simply just go and run that app.py, like let me take you there. And then you run your app.py like this, it starts, and then it just tells you that server is ready for some serious section. And then either you can just access it on the API endpoint, you can embed it in your code, or you can use their web UI. And this is a very basic web UI, which looks like you can start a new session and you can just say hello there. Let's see if it greets us or not. Hopefully it will. And I will let it run. I'm not going to stop, pause, or edit it. I will show you as is. It says hi there. Hopefully it will ask me for some drinks. There you go. So most of the time it works, which is always a good idea. And then you can just ask it something weird. How about protein shake? And then, of course, I'm not testing the model here or the agent, but it actually works quite well. And you see that it's quite funny, and that is Gamma 3 model for you. There you go. And we can ask it more. Well, mango would be nice, and please pack one for the home for me. And I will let it go on and on. So let's go with chocolate. So you see, it could have just said that here is your mango, but I will just go with chocolate. And I'll just say that's it. The shake was very delicious. I will be on my way now. I just came for the shake. That's good. So nothing about cars at the moment. Can I come again tomorrow for the shake with my mates? Let's see. So you see, if any, maybe this is just an investment, but she's not talking about cars at all. And to be clear, we are not here to buy the cars, just shakes. Is that all right? I want such a car dealership near my home. There you go. This is the best customer service. Amazing. Good stuff. Look, I will just stop playing. That's it. Let me know what do you think. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, as that helps a lot. Thank you for all the support.